This is AQ. So by using oxidation number method, we have to balance. So this is the chemical equation which is in ionic skeleton form. This is. So by using oxidation number method, we have to balance this chemical equation, ionic skeleton form equation, we have to balance. So already you know we have to follow various steps. Step 1, already the formulas are written. So phosphorus formula, elemental form, this is that hydroxide, means aqueous solution in the form of hydroxide, phosphine gaseous form, so H2PO2, so formulas are mentioned. That's what the step 1 is correct. The step 1 is correct, easy to balance. Yesterday I got that, so instead of H2PO2 I took what that means HPO2. So that's what, and we faced the difficulty of balancing the equation. In the step 1, so writing the correct formula. So we have to mention correct formula of reactants and the products we have to mention. And step 2, what we have to do means, step 2 we must write, we should assign the oxidation numbers to the species involving in this. So our species of elements, assigning oxidation numbers to atoms of elements, different elements present in this reactants and the products. Okay, now in step 2, we'll assign the oxidation numbers to atoms of elements. In step 2, phosphorus, already you know the phosphorus oxidation state is 0 since it is an elemental form, and here it is -3, and here it is +1. So here is 0 and here is -3, there the +1. Oxygen is -2 and oxygen is -2 remains same, hydrogen is, so +1. You can write, so hydrogen is, phosphorus is -3, here is +1 and -3 +1 -2. So now step 2, assigning of oxidation number is done. After step 3, we have to do here, step 3, what we should do in the step 3, so we should find out how much increasing, decreasing of oxidation number in oxidizing agent and the reducing agent we have to find out. So what we should do means, we should find out in step 3 how much oxidation number is increased, how much oxidation number is decreased. So we should write here increasing and decreasing oxidation number of oxidizing agent and reducing agent we should find out. Now here increasing, decreasing of oxidation number, phosphorus P4 changing into how much, pH3, so 0 to -3 oxidation state is going. So 0 to -3 means, is it gaining or losing? Tell me.
Gaining.
So gaining. How many electrons it is gaining? So there are 3 electrons it is gaining, 3 electrons. That means here P4 gaining 3 electrons it is gaining to become -3, phosphide ion in phosphine. So this is, and 3 electrons it is gaining, that you have to notice. and next same P4 means out of the phosphorus molecules, some molecules are changing into. So what is that means? H2PO2 minus. Here is 0, here is plus 1. How much difference is coming? So how many electrons the phosphorus is losing?
1.
So that means here, here is 4 phosphorus atoms here. That means 1 is multiplied with 4, and here is how much? If you take means, so means 3 into 4. If you multiply, so decreasing means gaining electrons. How many? 12 is happening, and losing is happening. How much means? 4 is happening. So that means, so decreasing and increased number, so what ratio means? Gaining number is 12, losing number is 4. So that number we have to balance. So that's why what I am doing in this equation, you can see now. So here I am taking, so here I am taking before this phosphorus, I am using the number 3, because 3 is multiplied with 1, 3 is multiplied with 1, and here is minus 1, minus 3 is multiplied with 1. So here I am not, I'm taking one number, here is a 3 number. So if I take P4, now in that phosphorus atoms are balanced, you can check now. Here is 1, here is 3. Are the phosphorus atoms are balanced? Check phosphorus atoms are balanced or not. See here, phosphorus is changing 0 to minus 3, 3 electrons, and here is 0 to how much it is going? Plus 1. Plus 1 means 1 electron. So what I am doing here, so here I am multiplying with 1, here I am multiplying with 3, that's it. Yes, समझ में आ रहा सबको? Three into 1, 1 into 3. Am I right? So after balancing the phosphorus atoms, so we should balance the charges, or so what we should do means we should do balance the oxygen atoms. Okay, oxygen atoms. So that we should do step 4. Step 4. What I will do means in step 4, either you should balance hydrogen or oxygen atoms. But in this I am balancing the oxygen atoms here. 3 into 2. How many oxygen atoms? 3 into 2 means, so RHS oxygen atoms number will be 6. So that's why here I am putting the 6 number. If I put the 6 number here, oxygen atoms on both sides balanced. Yes, everybody is listening.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now tell me what I balanced here means oxygen atoms. So here 3 into 2, and here is how much? So 6 oxygen atoms are balanced, and but here what happened here? You can see hydrogen atoms are 6, but this side hydrogen atoms how many? 3 into 2 and 3. 9 hydrogen atoms are present. So since the reaction is happening in the basic medium, I am adding some more OH minus ions. How many? 3 OH minus ions I am bringing? Yes. So 3 OH minus ions I am bringing there. So here what I'll do means, or else see, if you want to balance the hydrogen atoms, so 3 OH minus ions, if you bring extra, and here what I'll do means, if I add here, how much means 2H, 3H2O water molecules I will add. So if I bring 3 H2O water molecules, and so from this 6 OH and from this 3 OH, so here 3 OH cancelled and 3 OH cancelled here. So how much is remained? You can check. P4 plus 3 OH AQ plus 3H2 water molecules I am adding. Next PH3 gas plus then 3H2 PO2 minus. So this is the equation. Now you can check all the species of atoms are balanced or not. P4 phosphorus, here 4 phosphorus atoms, 1 plus 3 phosphorus atoms are balanced. Oxygen atoms 3, here 3, 6. Oxygen atoms are 6. Hydrogen atoms 3 into 2, 6, 3, 9. Equation is balanced now.
Yes, sir, fully balanced.
Okay, so this is that phosphorus that react with so sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, it can produce the phosphine, right? So this is the method, oxidation number method we use for balancing, right? Okay, so now we will discuss finding the oxidation numbers of elements.